Throughout the Lilo and Stitch franchise, there are so many different experiments made by Jumba himself. So I've gone over the 0 series, and now I'm going over the 1 series. There's 20 known and shown experiments from the 1 series. Let's get right to it. Experiment 102, known as Stop Go, was supposed to cause accidents on the road. He ended up just becoming a stoplight. Experiment 103, Stamen, he is there to attract bees. I don't know what about this design attracts bees though, but he stops pollination. A fan favorite, Experiment 110, known as Squeak, was known to talk so much that it would annoy other people and whole planets. Experiment 111, known as Mulch, tears up the ground, he looks like a lawnmower. Experiment 112, known as Tunes, he could change anything to a cartoon. Experiment 113, Shoe, he can turn good luck or bad luck depending on where his horns are faced, that's why his name's Shoe. Experiment 120, known as Snafu, known to stop other people's plans by any means possible. Experiment 122, known as Dorkifier, can embarrass anybody and have them in humiliating, compromising situations. Experiment 123, Carmen, known to make people dance until they just pass out. Experiment 128, known as Bugbee, can turn anybody into an insect. We have Experiment 133, known as PJ. He plays practical jokes on people, PJ. Experiment 134, known as Shredder, he shreds documents. Now this one's really interesting. Experiment 145, known as Bragg. This is Bragg's original look. He used to tell tall tales until Jumba actually changed what he looked like with different DNA, thus making him look like this and gaining musical ability. But what's interesting about this is one of the most evil experiments that Dr. Hamsterville actually started controlling and manipulating by gaining approval from others by lying and manipulating them. He's just bad. Experiment 148, known as Weasel, he climbs up planetary like AIDS pants. Experiments 149 and 150, known as Bonnie and Clyde, Bonnie being the small one, Clyde being the bigger one. They both were created to steal things without people knowing. Makes sense. Experiment 151 is also a fan favorite, known to turn anything into a baby. Experiment 158 is known as Finder and can find anything. Another fan favorite, Experiment 177, known as Clip, and she eats hair. So her perfect place was being someone who gives haircuts. Last from the 1 series is Experiment 199, known as Nosy. He is there to find out any secrets, but finds himself loving gossip and is an escape artist. The 1 series were known as civic disturbances, so going into the 2 series, we'll get to see the technological and scientific experiments.